Now, I'm trying out my new mobile stand. So this is because that's why I'm filming from a different like angle. I'm trying it out. I got this Mini Fashion Series 2 on half price last week. So let's see how it works. Oh, I'll check the lights. Wait. I'm in my bed now. It's in the middle of the night. I'm in my bed filming this now. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I hope it's gonna turn out okay. So. Like trying out the lights and as I said. I hope you have all had a great Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. Here is the 30th of December now, so it's soon gonna be New Year's Eve. So I hope you have something nice planned. If not, I hope you have a nice day anyway. I heard there is now a series 3 of these, so I really hope to find them soon. Okay, let's check this out. Hello, you have seen this one before. I hope there is something. Okay. Okay, it's a golden bag sticker. Nice sticker, I don't have that one. Oh, and a brush, gold brush, nice one. I don't have that one either, so I'm happy so far. And this one is the mascara? Okay, yep. I think I have one of those or two of those. Okay. Ooh. It is I think it's some kind of jewelry. Wait, I'll check the lights. Okay. Wait. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, I think I have one of these. Maybe I have one in different color. It's like the small handbag. It's nice. It is well made. It's cute. It's nice. It's really nice. But I don't know really what to do with it. But maybe the dolls can have it as a necklace, or you can have like as a pendant for your mobile phone or something. I don't know. But it's nice. Nice. Okay. Now, next one. Oh, it's like an everyday bag. It's okay. It's not super nice. It's not my favorite, but I guess. Like a beige and black. If you hear something in the background, it's my dog Lucas, of course. Okay, well, I'm not overwhelmed with this one. It's not my favorite, but it is well made. It's okay. The fashion mall was on half price, so I can live with it. Okay, it's like paper in it. Okay. Sticker, jewelry. I like the ribbon on it. It's cute. Mascara, gold mascara, and a nice brush. Okay, I hope I will be able to get a hold of season 3 mini fashion soon, and I also will. I hope I will have like it's not connected all to mini fashion, but I hope I will soon be able to make my Godzilla Monsterverse collection series. I have like a mixed kind of toy channel here. It's not just dolls. It's mostly dolls, mostly like ponies, fashion. Like I mean, like that kind of toys. But I really like also some kind of action figures and such. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry if I was rambling. I couldn't sleep, so I thought I would like to try this angle to film, and let's see how it turns out. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice night. Well, I will. Maybe you are watching it in the morning. Okay. Bye bye. Hi.